Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I am so glad you opened this video because today I'm gonna unbox this beauty. And you know, I received it yesterday, but I didn't unbox it just so I can shoot this video and do it together with you. And I'm super excited. I'm already so much in love with this purse. And I have no idea what material it is, how does it look inside, so let's do it together and we're gonna know everything. I will start unboxing and meanwhile comment. As you know, I already have one guess unboxing on my channel, and it was a black Guess purse, double purse, and honestly it was awful bag. I unboxed it and I returned it back where it came from because quality was awful, material was awful, everything was so bad. And for a long time I was very skeptical about Guess. I didn't want to even review the bags, you know, because that was such a huge disappointment. But let's give Guess another chance and see how this girl is. So far material is very interesting, and I will shoot of course everything very close to show you. First of all, let's take a second to admire this color. Just look at this baby pink color. Oh my god, I'm just in love. And by the way, this color in 2021 is super trendy, so I think we are on time. And yeah, in the back of a purse we have a zipper, and inside it's a branded Guess fabric. And zipper actually this time very good material. It's golden but not yellow gold, more kind of whitish gold. And yeah, let's open here and see how long is the handle. Okay, so it's pretty short, not that long, and I think we can remove back without tearing it up. Oh, bendings are amazing. This time materials are so good, really. And yeah, we have here the tag. Everything is wrapped perfectly. I think this time Guess did an amazing job. I ordered it in Zalando. This purse cost 105 euros. Time to open it. Ta-da! Oh wow, inside there is this branded Guess bag, so we can store our purse. It's actually quite big, see, much bigger than the purse itself. And what else we have inside? Of course, filled with a lot of papers, and papers are Guess papers, not just any papers. So if you're a really big fan of this brand, you can keep these papers. I don't know what you're gonna use it for actually, but well, it's good to have an option, right? Oh my god, so many. Wow, inside purse, very nice, very nice. We have again the Guess material everywhere. From one side this ziplock and pretty big pocket, and from another side we have these two small pockets. I think it's for card holder. And yeah, you know, for the shoulder bag, this bag is actually perfect size, can fit a lot. Normally, you know, I love shoulder bags and they're amazing. You can call it shoulder or baguette. This bag has two names, and normally you can't fit much inside. And I'm the person who always carry all the world in her purse, so I always need to carry some additional bag, you know, or like something. But this purse actually perfect size, and you can see how good it fits, the color, the material. I don't know what else to tell about it. I am so much in love with it. And this time even the logo of Guess done very good. And this bag cost, I think, the same like the previous bag I reviewed, but much better. Wow, I don't know, was it a coincidence that the previous bag was so awful? Because this time I can't even say one negative thing. Maybe the only thing is that you see the handle of a bag is a bit like deformed, but that's totally normal. After wearing it like once or twice, it's gonna take its form, or you can just hang it for a while. And I think it's quite flexible. You can style this purse with lots of different outfits. And yeah guys, I think that's all. there is nothing much could be told about this bag. It's amazing. I totally recommend it. 100 euros. Of course, we are mostly paying for the name as always, but yeah, it's totally good investment, and I think this bag can serve you for several years. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for reviewing with me this bag. I hope you enjoyed this small unboxing from me. I love unboxing purses. Please, in comments below, write me what is the next purse you want me to review, what more you wish to know about purses and everything. So yes, guys, thank you for staying till the end, and see you next time. Bye bye.